Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Pokémon REGIELEKI. So let's start by drawing a curve, top of his head, okay, and then another curve that goes down and slightly up, and then on the other side again it goes down. Okay, going back here, let's draw another curve that goes downward, and then this is going to curve inward like so. And then underneath here are these three rings. So draw a curve this way first, curve out the ends, and then draw another curve right underneath so it looks like a donut. Curve it out, and then now you can go ahead and finish off this long hot dog shape, and then draw another one right underneath, long oval, and finally this one connecting part, just a long skinny rectangle. Let's finish off the head here by drawing a curve from the upper part of this end going up, and then on this side of the head is another blue section, so let's draw a curve just like here. You can see that this head's actually rotated this way, so you're going to see this part kind of curve this way, and then on the other side we also have the same thing, but it's going to curve. You're only going to see the outer part. So let's actually do this side now. So matching up the top right here, let's draw a curve and it back to the head. Okay, at this point let's go ahead and start drawing its electric-like arms by drawing these kind of irregular lines that start from this blue ring. First they're kind of small over here, and then it'll actually go out pretty far as one big arm. So let's draw another kind of zigzag pattern here, slightly bigger than this first one that we drew. And just imagine this long kind of oval, pointy oval shape out here. So let's just go ahead and draw the upper part first and just kind of make it a little bit uneven, but basically following the shape. Okay, and we'll go ahead and go back here. So the proximal part, the closer part to the body, is a little bit thicker, and then it narrows down. So going back here again, let's go ahead and start to form that long kind of almond shape actually. Okay, and now we can finish this ring that goes underneath this arm. Let's draw some concentric lines here as well for that arm, and here as well. Okay, now let's draw the other arm. So let's say the tip of the right arm is right here. Let's draw a dot, and same thing, we're going to draw starting from here, this blue ring here on the right side, an uneven kind of zigzag line that goes to this dot, and again starting from the arm, from the shoulder, an uneven line just like that. And we'll draw these little electric thunderbolt shapes on this side as well, except of course it's smaller because it's the far arm, and maybe one that goes this way and another one down here. Let's take our narrower pen now and draw some more lines that basically go to the tip. Again, just uneven, kind of like thunderbolt zigzag lines, goes to the end and then starts to go back. You want the lines separated a little bit towards the middle, and then it narrows down again as we get closer. Okay, so let's do another one here, starting right here. Let's go out to the end and then start coming back. Start to separate a little bit from that last line and then go back. And let's do it again here, just add another line closer to the edge. We'll go ahead and draw another line out here as well, sometimes touching the edge, sometimes not, and we'll do the same on this side. So let's just go ahead and start at the middle first, and again zigzag lines that narrows as you get to the tip and thicker towards the middle. Again, just make it pretty random. Okay, so now let's look at the body again. We've got 7 dots that go right here. Because it's rotated this way, the center of the head is right here. So let's draw a small oval first, and then 2 more on either side. So this is the center dot. And then at the ends then, we've got 2 more dots. And 2 more dots over here. These are going to be even more oval because it's foreshortened. This, I kind of drew this a little bit too big, but so what I'll actually do is I'll just kind of make these outer ones a little bit thicker to make them a bit more even in size, but it's not a big deal. So now let's go ahead and draw the legs. Going back to my somewhat thicker line with my Sharpie, go out and up for a point, and then it's going to go spike out on either side, and then we've got this lightning bolt on either side, just like that. Same here, down, out to a point, back, and thicker. Now we can join these two with a slight curve and add some details on the inside with our finer pen. Okay, just to make this a little bit more interesting as a line drawing, I'm just gonna add some shadows with my fine pen. Again, light's coming from the upper left. So I'll just use some hatching lines. Same here with the ring on this side. And maybe another shadow line so I can cross hatch the lowermost area. Okay, I'll do the same thing with these rings. Shadow line up, shadow line, and hatching lines as well. And this will just give it more shape so this drawing can stand on its own without color, and it looks more three-dimensional. Okay, and these extra lines here that I'm putting in just kind of help to give it a little bit more interest, so it's not just a simple line drawing. And maybe add a couple more lines here. And that's it. This is REGIELEKI. Fairly simple, easy Pokemon. Thanks a lot for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. And let me know what other Pokemon you'd like me to draw next, although my goal is to try to draw all of them at some point. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.